Hi, welcome to another video on agentic applications where you can build your own SaaS application using team of agents. So last 1 year we saw different types of agents, but now these days you can't think of building an agentic application without adding multiple agents. So each agent specializes in one domain. So that makes it easy for us to develop and also debug and optimize. In this video, we're going to look at an investment report generators. Now, these small examples will really come handy when you want to build your own SaaS application for your automation agency client. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So in this agentic application, which is a team of agents, we have a stock analyst agent. You give this agent the tickers that you want to consider. Now this is focusing on one specific domain to analyze the stock market. It will have a connection to AI and also may have tools attached. These are web access tools, stock market access tools, etc. Then we have research analyst agent. So this will do research on the companies behind those stocks, fundamentals of those companies. This will analyze. So recent trends, all those things this can analyze. Again, we have tools and AI access if required. Okay, so two agents, stock analyst agent and research analyst agent. But using this as the starter application, you can add more domain-specific agents. Then finally, you have the investment lead agent that will give you the advice for investment. Okay, so let's first see how it's run. This is a command line application using Agento Agentic Framework demo application. I have this investment report picked up from Agento cookbook itself. So I will show you the URL to the cookbook. Come to Agento repo, cookbook, workflows, and investment report generator workflow. So this is the code that we are executing. First, let's run the code. Let's get the file name. I have already created a run.sh, which will create the Python environment needed, and it will install the required libraries, and then it executes. So we don't need to install anything globally on my Mac. All we need to do is to sh, run.sh, and the investment report generator.py application. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it's asking enter the company symbols, comma separated. So it already has a couple of symbols. So I'm not entering anything. I'm just pressing enter. So getting the investment reports for companies Tesla, F and GM. Okay, so then it is ranking companies based on the investment potential. So you can see the power these applications offer. Okay, so it's creating the final output. So here, portfolio strategy and recommendations for automotive stocks, General Motors, Ford Motor Company, Tesla. So what it suggests is 50% we can invest in General Motors, 30% in Ford Motor Company, and then 20% in Tesla. So it is balancing the risk factors. Okay, then diversification. So this allocation promotes diversification among the automotive sectors, varying the risk profiles. Okay, so in few minutes you have a very nice report. So this is a very good template application that you can build and adapt to your specific needs. So I just want to show you how easy it is to get started with such an application, which you can offer as a software as a service, SaaS application. So let's look at the code now. So here we have a class investment report generator, which takes a workflow object. We have a description that tells what this class is expected to do. And then we have the agent definition. Now these detailed prompts are very important. What you can do is you can take these prompts and put it in ChatGPT and ask it to adapt it to any other specific use case. So this first thing is stock analyst agent. I'm using GPT-4o mini as the AI tool. So here we have the description. Remember, this description is important when we build agentic application, because this description tells the AI what these agents are expected to do. And then we have the instructions. Then we have the research analyst tool, again the description and the instructions. Then we have finally the investment lead agent. So you are a portfolio sage, a distinguished senior investment lead at Goldman Sachs, expert in all these areas and how you want the output to be created. That is it. So just few lines, you can build a very powerful team of agents, and the run method runs these agents as a workflow. So that is it for this short video where we showcased Agentic team doing investment report generation. Please give your valuable comments, suggestions. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and see you in another video. These short videos will come handy when you want to build your own Agentic application. Thank you. Bye-bye.